Every continent has at least one animal that looks like a mistake in nature's code. In Africa, there is an animal that stands straight like a human, and it's not even close to being a monkey. There is a snake in Asia that can launch itself into thin air like it has wings, even though it has none. Antarctica has a fish with a blood so unusual, it doesn't look like blood at all. In the caves of Europe, there is an animal that looks like it has been avoiding sunlight since the beginning of time. Today, we are traveling around the world and it gets weird real fast. Let's start in Africa. This is the Gerenuk, and I'm not even joking. It looks like it's about to ask you for rent. Because why would a deer stand straight like it's testimony time? You can find this animal in Tanzania, Kenya, Ethiopia, and Somalia. Mostly savannas and bushy areas. And the most insane part is that this animal stands on two legs. It does this to reach leaves high up that other animals can't get. And when predator shows up, this thing doesn't fight back. It freezes or just runs fast through bushes where bigger animals can't follow. This thing has evolved to eat in peace and avoid drama. And that's just Africa being normal. Stay with me. Let's travel to Asia. And I'm just going to say it out loud. Who approved the flying snake? This is the Chrysopelea. This thing lives in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and Philippines, mostly tropical forests. It climbs trees, launches itself, and glides through the air for up to 100 meters. Do you even know how crazy that is? It flattens its body and wiggles side to side to stay airborne. It uses this unique method to move quickly across trees and to catch lizards, bats, and birds. And when something tries to attack it, it just jumps and disappears into another tree. So you can't even run from it. It has air support. Now let's go somewhere that is colder than your freezer, where everything looks frozen but somehow still alive. Antarctica. This is the Antarctica icefish. It lives in the icy waters around Antarctica, especially the Southern Ocean, near places like the Ross Sea and Weddell Sea. This one shouldn't be alive. It has no red blood cell. Its blood is almost clear, and it lives in freezing temperatures that would kill most animals. It produces a natural antifreeze protein that protects its body from freezing solid. This thing is built like a freezer with trust issues. And how does it even survive with so little oxygen in its system? This is insane. And finally, Europe decided to be creepy. And I must confess, I don't trust anything that lives like this. Meet the home. It lives in underground caves in countries like Slovenia, Bosnia, Croatia, and Italy. I think this thing has issues with sunlight in its past life. No exposure to sunlight at all. And because of that, it's completely blind. But anyways, it doesn't need eyes. It uses smell and tiny vibrations in the water to navigate. And it can live up to 100 years and survive without food for 1 decade. It has almost no natural predators. This thing really said, I will do absolutely nothing and still survive. Scientists still don't fully understand how it slows down its body enough to survive for so long without food. I think we don't talk about how weird this planet actually is. I'm not looking at nature the same way again. Because how do you explain a deer that stands straight like a human, a snake that can fly, and a fish with see-through blood? You all can keep exploring. I will stay inside my house. Thank you. Please subscribe for more.